Subscribe to the Mr. Toti channel and stay up to date with the latest uploads.
Mr. Toti and the Flood.
My name is Mr. Toti, hello.
Let's find treasures now with him.
My name is Mr. Toti, hello.
It is of him that I dream.
Here are berries, big as peaches. A vast magic mine is here. Cheeky twins in.
Check your breeches!
What will happen isn't clear. My name is Mr. Toti, hello.
Let's find treasures now with him.
My name is Mr. Toti, hello.
It is of him that I dream.
On this island we're so busy. Every day is bright and sunny.
Making magic is so easy.
Our adventures are so funny. I have a great secret here. I'm the only one to know. And I will just disappear in this mine down below. Goodness gracious! I found a treasure! What is this thing? A pipe? What do I need a pipe for? I need to check whether it's magical. Let me say a spell. Hocus, pocus, hocus, pocus. Upon my request, let this grey pipe become a telescope of the best type. One day I'll make it into a telescope. A chimney, a cannon, or a trailer. I'll think of something. We'll see.
Hello, good morning. It's me, Hell.
Come to mine and you'll see what I found.
Ah, it's a pipe. I once saw pipes like that buried in the ground. They carried water. They call it a water line, or a pipeline, or maybe an aqueduct. I can't recall exactly.
Let's make something out of it, eh? Let's attach wheels to it and we'll have a cart for moving things.
Yes, I like this idea.
Let us try our cart. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear.
What's all this carry-on?
We are inventors. We're just testing the device.
My friend, please don't talk to these two at all.
So full of it. You are bunglers and botchers. You don't know how to do anything properly. You need our help, don't you?
We want nothing from you.
Oh well, fine. We're off. You'll come begging to us yet. You will see.
It's me, Hell. Listen, the cheeky twins have just come running to me. They're asking for help. How dare they, after being so rude to us? They say water is flooding their house.
They were horrible, that's true. But maybe we could help them somehow.
I wouldn't help them out. Have they ever helped anyone? I don't recall.
Maybe if we show them a good heart, they'll become nicer.
You're right. I'll bring them to your house.
There.
We've been flooded! Water has flooded our house! Please help us! If you help us, we will never be unpleasant to you again! We promise!
Take your brollies. I'll get my trowel and the pipe. We might need it. Let's go. We need to dig a ditch that will take the water to the river. Let's dig here.
Me first? No, me first.
What are you doing? Instead of helping, you're throwing mud around.
Oh, my trowel! What will we dig with now?
We'll use the pipe. Look, it's long like a drain pipe. Let's make a pipeline, or rather a water pipe. We need to get to the river.
Twins, pass me the pipe and make yourselves useful. We managed to deal with the flood. Now let's move and dry everything outside.
But how?
It's stopped raining, so let's hang things up on the trees.
Oh, thank you.
Here, it's for you. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. But I hope you will remember what you promised. Do you know what Mr. Toti said then?
If you want to change the mean, make their meanness never seen. Treat them well and fair, they'll show that they care.
English version by Dub Film Studio. Directed by Gosia Lalovska. Sound engineer Iza Waszkiewicz. Dialogues by Anna Lysette. Theme song by Anna Lysette, Janusz Onufrovich, Piotr Gogol. Cast: Mr. Toti, Kevin Tyrrell. Herho, John Edmondson. Lula, Emma Barnett. Twins, Martin Hugh Henley.